Part 5. This smells horrible. That's so overactivated. Oh, pretty nice stretch can make bubbles. I think I like this one, but it's kind of rippy. Like, look, but it has sprinkles. And let me try to do some ASMR. It makes amazing ASMR, guys. I'm gonna give this one a strong 8 or a strong 7. What do y'all think about this slime? The color is like some type of purple yellow, and the scent is not good. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want, and like and comment. Bye!